I used to have my third hole when I was younger.
You did?
Yeah, it closed up though. Is that how spaced out it should be?
Yes.
Okay.
Because you're wearing heavy hoops now.
Oh, you want me to take them out?
No, it's
Oh.
So that's gonna be loop with a heavy hoop.
Okay. And that's the normal like dimensions?
Yes.
Okay. That's cool.
You wear those hoops every day or?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a perfect spot. So you can see the perfect one. So you want me to count down 1, 2, 3 or just do it?
Huh?
1, 2, 3 or just do it?
You can do 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's been a while, but go ahead.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let me bring it for you. Like a spray with a Q-tip.
Okay.
For both sides. Clean from the front and back, and you roll it.
Okay.
For 2 weeks.
And how many? Like 2 times a day? 2 to 3 times? Okay.
If you do it more time, more clean it's gonna be, and more faster it's gonna be the heat.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Perfect. Love it. Thank you.
So which size do you want for the nose?
The right. I've been wearing fake ones for like 5 months now. And I like how it look on the right side.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So when it heals, so you can come here to change, or you can do it at home. But you want a hoop or like a stop?
When it heals, a hoop.
Okay.
That's what I've been wearing for the longest. Yes. That's close to where I used to wear it. Is that like a normal out?
Yeah, because look.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, that works. Yeah. Okay, I like it. I trust your judgment. How many piercings have you done? Nose piercings? A lot.
Like for a week or for a month?
Oh, well, if you asking that question, you an expert. I trust your judgment.
At least I do 15.
Jesus. Was it like young girls, like teenagers?
Teenagers, most of the time.
I believe it. Okay. I trust you then.
When I start here, I count every single one, but now as soon as I say, okay,
it's cause
I don't know.
And here I am, your first one for today, right?
Yeah.
As soon as you open.
So,
okay.
Count down or just do it?
You can count. You can do the same.
Okay.
Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. Woo!
Okay. Woo.
Oh my God. No, could have prepared me for that.
I know.
Oh, is that a tear?
Yeah. Yeah, they cry a lot when I tear the nose.
Oh my God.
So you want a tissue or something?
Yeah, just dab my tears. But it's done. I did it. Yay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. That's it. Clean twice, morning, night. If you clean more, no problem. More faster.
So with the nose, when I clean it, do I need to go in my nostril or just the...
Just from the top.
Okay.
But in the nose, I always recommend spray.
Spray the nose.
Q-tip. Yeah.
Oh.
Just move your nose a little bit and...
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. About 2 pumps. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Yes. Perfect location. Yes, I love it. Thank you.
No problem.
No more wearing fake nose rings. And I got my third hoop. 3 piercings in one day. Come on.
So today we are working from the library, and we are basically just preparing for the first group coaching session that kicks off today, because y'all know the program reopened today, so major things. So I'm just preparing for it, making sure that all my ducks are in a row, making sure that my presentations are together, and all the other additional information that I will be providing is in total alignment. This is like a preparation day, and then just finishing up some other things and in regards to work. And then once I'm done, I'm going to read some of my book. One of my Bantu knots are hanging on for dear life, which has pretty much been my mood these last few days. Heading back to the house now. I had just left one of my favorite cafes just to sit down and finish my work, because I kind of got the boot at the library. The room that I had reserved, my time was up, and someone else had reserved like right after me. So they were like, do you want to use another one? It'll be available in 30 minutes. Nah, I didn't have time to just be sitting there for additional 30 minutes and not being productive. So I just changed sceneries. I didn't plan on really eating nothing, but I know, like, you know, when you go sit at cafes or just like restaurants, whatever, it's nice to at least buy something from the business, so you're just not sitting there just using up like their Wi-Fi and stuff, and you're not like a paying customer. So I ended up getting a bagel melt. It was trash, 0 out of 10. We'll never get it again. And I also got my, what is it called? Stardust lemonade refresher or whatever. It's like with blueberry, mint, or basil, one of the two, and honey. And it was just way too sweet. So I wasn't pleased with that either. I have been really reframing my mindset, and that's as much as I can tell y'all right now, so that I can believe exactly what it is that I want to attract. I'm reframing my mindset so that I can gain back control over my thoughts, because I was literally thinking about it a few minutes ago, and I was like, just thinking about things that have bothered me, or something that someone has said or done or whatever. And when I was thinking about it, I kept saying, he make me feel, or they make me this, and then I was like, whoa, wait a minute. And I called myself immediately, because I'm like, if you start off a sentence with saying someone else make you do something or make you feel some kind of way, then you have given them way too much control over you and your emotions. And in that moment, it's like, oh, it's over with. It's over with. Because I'm telling y'all, the awareness is expanding. And things that I'm sorry, but Oh, this Bantu knot over here is cracking me up because I just feel like it's just literally poking out of the side of my head. But things that I used to be oblivious to, actions, the way people treat me, I was like lost in the freaking sauce because I'm such a nice and genuine, I ain't gonna say nice, because I'm such a lover girl. And that's in all aspects of my life. I genuinely mean well. Like, that's just who I am. I genuinely mean well. I'm not a wicked person. I'm not someone that do things to hurt someone else's feelings. I'm not mean. I'm none of those things. But it's like, I feel like a lot, like lately, I've been letting like a lot of people get over on me. And all because it's like I choose my battles, and for me it's like, do I have energy to even address this, or do I just acknowledge it and keep it moving? Most of the time I would just acknowledge things and just keep it moving, because it's like a note to self for me, meaning I see how you move, you won't be able to do that again with me because I know how you move. But as of lately, I'm like, okay, how many notes am I going to take about a person before I address this behavior? Because you set the tone for how people treat you, period. If you are operating as everything is okay, or always acting in forgiveness in the sense of, oh, it's okay, it's fine, and oh, I understand. If you're always understanding, baby, coming from someone who has been way too understanding one too many times, that is not something that you want to strive for. I'm telling you right now, you cannot be too understanding to people, because they'll continue to get over on you. I understand that you reacted this way because of that, but I don't accept that type of behavior. And if you want to act that way, then you can't be a part of my life, period. Like, that's just how I feel. I understand you said this because you da-da-da-da-da, but what you said was uncalled for. And if you react like this whenever something like that happens, I'm sorry, I can't mess with you like that. You feel me? Like, stop letting people walk all over you. Stop letting people be narcissists. Stop letting people gaslight you. Stop letting people feel like you're the reason why they act the way they do. Stop letting people guilt trip you into believing that you did something to cause the way that they treat you. Stop letting people make you believe that you did something to influence the way that they treat you. Please get the f out of here with that. Just get the on. Because honestly, baby, it's almost like a veil has been lifted from my eyes. I don't know what kind of state I've been operating in these past 5 years, and I'm saying since the pandemic, because definitely there was a shift in, but I'm telling you right now, there's another shift that's happening. And this shift is saying, oh, you thought. Like, that's the energy. Oh, you thought. Oh, you thought that I was just gonna let that slide. Oh, you thought that I was gonna be so forgiving. Oh, you thought that this wasn't a big deal. Oh, you thought that you could say that and I wasn't going to notice. Oh, you thought that you could treat me that way and I was just gonna let that. No. You thought, and you thought wrong. But I'm here today to say, it's a new day, baby.